5,000 running. It is a heat pump, and I'll get close to it. So I believe this is a 1996 2-ton unit. It's either 1994 or 6, one between those two, I'm not sure. Yep, it's running in heat mode. It is freezing out here, so obviously it's going to be running in heat mode. As you can tell, the sky is all wintry. This is pretty much winter in Missouri, just cloudy, cold, windy. Sometimes even can be rain. Yep, this is pretty much winter in Branson, Missouri. So, the Carrier, I filmed a 9-minute defrost cycle of it. It was not frozen, it didn't steam, but it was a very long defrost. And I think the Heil's starting to freeze a little bit. That's nice. The Bryant came on and it didn't really freeze all that much, but it was on. The Goodman only seen on, yes, defrost cycle. I believe this is going to be an interval defrost. Yeah, but sweet, 3 defrost cycles in one day. I'm a lucky man. Or I'm a lucky teenager, I should say. I'm not a man yet, but you know what I mean. I mean, there's only just a tiny bit of frost down there, but oh, what the heck, I'll just go down there. Hopefully I won't get busted. So I already caught this unit defrosting just a couple days ago, but I didn't catch a full one. I'll be lucky if the Goodman comes on and it goes in the defrost too, because I would like to catch that one defrosting. See, the coils are, and the Goodman just fires up. But yeah, the coils are bent and it doesn't look very good. But this is a pretty nice unit, but it's very loud. You know, we got warm air coming up the top. No steam. But am I just lucky enough to come here at the right freaking time to catch this thing defrosting? Oh, no way, it is steaming. Nice. Can you guys see it? I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's steaming. It's steaming over by the Carrier. Oh no, it's really steaming. I hope my camera's picking it up. Oh, it's steaming. And there it goes. Why ain't it making the whooshing noise when it comes back on? I don't understand. The carrier... There it goes. There it goes. It had a little delay. But there's the Heil defrosting. Nice. Man, I was just lucky enough to walk by at the right time that the Heil came in defrost. Just wanted to get a video of it running, but no defrost cycle. And the Goodman I got starting up twice today, so there's 2 of the 4 heat pumps are running. The heat pump that normally runs the most, I would say, would be the Carrier. The Carrier base model runs the most. Goodman, I would say, out of these 4 runs the least. I mean, it does run quite often, but it's on for a short period of time, like 6 minutes at the most, and it's pretty much off, like dormant for an hour or so. I don't know, it's just a thermostat, or I don't know. It could be just one of those thermostats where you only had the unit on for a little bit of time, and then it shuts off. Yep, I got a steam show of the Heil now. Oh, that's good. Just hope my camera picked it up. So I taught the Bryant defrosting, Carrier defrosting, and the Heil defrosting. The Carrier up there, I didn't catch defrosting yet, but I have not seen it run yet today, so I would say that one runs the least of them all. I was just saying the Goodman runs the least out of these 4, but nice to see that the Goodman's running. Oh my gosh, 2 defrost cycles in 1 video, no way. Bruh, I am so lucky. Ah, that's amazing. But I think this is just going to be an interval defrost. I have a feeling it's going to shut off during the defrost. It does the same thing as HVAC Adventures Goodman does whenever it goes into defrost. So it shuts off and does the whooshing noise, and then it starts up, and then it's defrosting, and then it shuts back off with the whooshing noise, and then it turns back on. I don't think this one's going to be any steam coming out of it. This thing's only running for like, I don't know, probably 3 or so minutes. So there's no way there could be ice pulping up on it. Because I've never seen this thing frozen. I'm not going to go down to it though, like I did with the Heil, because I don't want to get busted. Because I did sell a lady from one of their condos just now, so. Yeah, sorry about all the noise, but yeah, there's some guy cutting some wood with his table saw. Alright, it's coming out of defrost. No steam, but it was just a little interval defrost. There it goes. Back in heat mode it goes. Yeah, that's nice. I caught a defrost cycle of all of these four. I just need to catch one of the carrier comfort. And also I want to catch the carrier heat pump, carrier base metal heat pump starting up though. And I imagine that the Goodman's probably going to shut off in any second. Yep, as I say it, shuts off. Because the Goodman doesn't really run very long in heat mode. In cool mode, I mean, it can run up to 10 minutes in cool mode, but in heat mode doesn't really run that long. I just noticed it running more in cool mode than it did in heat mode. So yeah, 2012 Goodman 2-ton air conditioner, or heat pump, running and defrosting and starting up too and shutting down. Everything with this unit that has been just this one video. Heil, defrosting, and I want to try to, and it shut off. I want to try to get the carrier starting up. Already caught the Bryant starting up twice, and I got the Heil starting up twice, and now the Goodman twice, and I want to at least catch the carrier starting up. Am I just lucky today? I caught all these 4 units defrosting. Just one day. So, my first defrost cycle I ever had on my YouTube channel was the carrier base model defrosting. And I saw a few other heat pumps before I even started filming. It was the winter of 2019. Went to Stillwater's and I saw the 2011 Gibson heat pump defrosting, and it had a really epic steam show. Like, the steam was just it was amazing. It was right next to that 2016 Concorde, also right next to that window unit. I hope you guys know which unit I'm talking about here, but that's when I caught defrosting in an epic steam show. But that startup of that thing actually sounds really nice. It doesn't sound like all the other crappy Nordines. And all the Frigidaires out there, they don't sound bad either. So yeah, 2 defrosts. I mean, that's 2 defrosts in one video. This is probably going to be the best video I ever posted, I gotta say. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe. Just, yeah. If you don't want to, you don't have to, then it doesn't matter to me. But I'm already at 53 subscribers, so that's amazing. So, see you guys next time. Bye.